Today I am going to show you a quick little video on how to insert a page into your Google website. The first thing that you need to do is you'll see the little icon up at the top of the right hand corner that looks like a page with a plus sign on it. You'll click on that and then you will get the option of naming your page. I'm going to call this the Technology Training Calendar. And then you do have a couple of options as to how you can have your page set up. You can have it as a simple web page. If you would like to make announcements, you can have announcements saying, you have practice after school, or that the game has been changed, or something like that. So you would have an announcements page. If you have a number of files that you would like your students to have access to, for instance, you may have chapters in a book or worksheets, you can put all of those files on that page and you would be able to manage those pages from that site. You could list things, for instance, if you needed to list the students in a group so that your students would have access to it after class, or if you needed to list the members of a team or something along those lines, you could have a page set up where you would just have list on there. And your start page is a little different. If you wanted to have your students collaborate on a project, they would have a start page. Each student would see something different based on their level of access to the page, and it would be personalized for that student. So those are the different template types. We're going to leave ours as a web page, and we want our page up at the top. So now that we've made those decisions, we will go back up to the top on the red button that says create, and we would click create, and you'll notice that now we have our page. That's something simple. Quickly show you how to set up a new page within your website, and then the last thing that you want to do is make sure that you click the blue save button, so now your page is actually there. Thank you, and I will share more hints with you in the future about how to add things to your Google website.